Alright, so this is the ground. I doubled up the wire. It was a, what was it? It was a 2-pin connector, but I didn't have the other end, so I just installed a 3-pin one and just put double the wires on each side. So this is for the pump. Got me a regular fuel pump, like I said earlier, connected. So when I make the container for the pump, for the coolant and stuff, this is going to be connected to it. You just spin it off and it comes off. And now, limit switches. I have to drill this hole bigger when I get a drill bit and put the connector in there. But here's a board. A JP 316 3B. So you got the 5 volts from the board that feeds this thing. And then from that you have I think it was the X, Y, and Z axis for the limit. And then this black wire right here is going to be for the probe, which is right here. So I have to wire all this stuff up, put it to the machine, drill holes to mount the limit switches, and then that should be that.